Senior BJP legislator A.L. Hek has asked the NDA partners to restrain from provoking BJP Karyakartas in the election campaign. While reacting to the recent controversy where allegedly NPP MLA Sanjay Sangma made negative remarks during an election rally against the BJP, Hek said that the state unit of the BJP as well as the West Garo Hills unit of BJP has taken up the matter with the NPP chief Conrad K. Sangma in this regard.
इस बार 400 पार means the BJP with the NDA, not only BJP alone, with the NDA, they should be इस बार 400 पार. A man to remove of the state president. He has done his responsibility, the duty given by the national leaders. There's no questions to demand. If you have done wrong anything against the party, then only we can raise these questions. No, this is a national. In a national meeting here, national convention, they have taken this decision. The Garo Hills section, the state president and the state unit also have taken up this. So this is already given the letter. So that is the already written the letter. Let's see the response.